Hello decorators, welcome to our next video. Today we are going to put Helium's balloon to test. For that we flew all the way to Dallas because it is 105 degrees outside. So let's test these babies. Keep on watching to see the result. So we are going to put a test different types of balloons. Here I have a mylar, I have a jumbo balloon, it's a non-stuffed, then I have double stuffed jumbo balloon, and I have a bubble balloon. We're gonna put all of them outdoors and it's over 100 degrees in Dallas. We're actually going to check the temperature in just a little bit and we will see how long they're going to last. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it is already 102 degrees. So let's see how long these babies will survive. All right, so our balloons are set on a railing. We are going to come back in about 15 minutes to check on them. So it has been 15 minutes, so we're checking on our balloons. They look alive. They oxidized a little bit, well, oxidized, right? But they are still floating. Nothing has deflated yet, nothing popped yet. So let's come back in another 15 minutes to check on them. So it's been almost an hour and these balloons are still alive. So let's take a look a little closer to what they look like right now. As you can see, my bubble balloon did change the shape a little bit and it looks like my mylar balloon is a little bit more expanded, right? So that's the best word for it. So it's expanded. It looks like it's more inflated than what it was when I took it out. And my latex balloons just oxidized, but they are still floating and they're like in a good shape. So let's take them inside and take a closer look in the shade. So 1 hour outside and look at this, you guys. I just took this mylar balloon inside and it has deflated tremendously. It was like fully inflated outdoors. You see the bubble balloon changed the shape a little bit. It looks a little bit like flatter. Whereas my latex, the double stuffed and non-stuffed balloon look just fine. And let me see, they all float. They all still float. Now to answer everyone's question, how do helium balloons deal with the hot weather? Well, the answer is for an hour in 100 degrees, they can totally survive, but obviously you would not keep them outdoor for too long. But if you do, you can guarantee that an hour can definitely work for the helium balloons. I hope you guys found this video useful and let me know in the comment section, what do you think? What is your experience with helium balloons? And make sure that you subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more useful information coming. And I will see you in the next video.